Okay, so in IELTS, the question is, some people believe the internet is the most important invention in modern history. Okay, so you have started off by saying the idea to origination of internet in the present day is a contentious one. Uh, you need to remember that your idea should flow from the question. क्वेश्चन में पूछे हैं कि कई लोग विश्वास करते हैं कि इंटरनेट सबसे महत्वपूर्ण आविष्कार है. सो
हाँ
योर
सर.
योर स्टार्टिंग इंट्रोडक्शन यहाँ से आना चाहिए. Don't just give something which is of a very general statement. The idea to origination of internet is a contentious one. So as an option, you can say that there are a lot of people. What's another word for people?
Citizens.
Citizens is of a country. You can say many individuals, or you
Okay,
can say
main India.
certain individuals. Certain
Yes sir.
individuals believe. You have to change the word believe to something that is synonymous. So certain individuals opine that uh, the internet is the most important. What could be the most, another word for most important?
Very popular.
Not very popular. Important. Important यानी महत्वपूर्ण. So you can say
Okay.
is of great significance.
Great.
Is a very
Hmm.
significant
Okay.
invention. Invention, you can say, is a very significant um, creation
Origination. Creation. Origination.
creation in the modern day or in the recent times.
Yes.
So when you're giving an introduction, it should come from the question. You
Okay.
have mentioned the idea of origination of internet in the present day is a contentious one. Uh, Contentious. Nobody is saying it's contentious. Nobody is discussing this. So IELTS will not, focus on your first introduction itself because it's no way connected to the question.
Okay.
Are you clear? It has evoked a feeling of caution for some, whereas a growing support from exponent. This is not, these two things are not connecting to the question itself.
Okay.
So what am I teaching you? The first principle is, when you are starting an introduction, you begin with exactly what the question is asking. Your vocabulary, your language, your paraphrasing should come from the question.
Okay.
Yeah. Then
Yes sir.
coming to the next sentence, it has evoked a feeling of caution for some, whereas a growing support from exponents. Where did you get this information? It has evoked a feeling of caution. Is it there in the question?
क्या sir?
ये क्वेश्चन में है ऐसे चीज कि कई जगह में कॉशन है और कई जगह में सपोर्ट है.
नहीं ऐसा
हाँ,
तो नहीं है.
तो अगर क्वेश्चन में ऐसी चीज नहीं है तो वो मत लेके आना. ठीक है.
Okay.
As
Hmm.
far as my belief goes, I am in a partial disagreement with it. The question is, to what extent do you agree or disagree?
Yes.
Okay, this thesis statement is okay. You are presenting your view. You're saying you're in partial agreement. That is okay. But because
Okay.
the first two sentences have lost its importance, this one is just standing like that.
Okay.
Okay, next, my view, which assert that invention of internet in recent days can be substantiated with a couple of reasons. Okay, the most, now what is your view?
मेरा व्यू ऐसा है कि इंटरनेट का जो इन्वेंशन एक मिनट सर इन्वेंशन ऑफ इंटरनेट अभी इंटरनेट का इन्वेंशन है इन
हाँ
रिसेंट डेज में,
हाँ
वो कई कारण से साबित हो सकता है, साबित हो रहा है कई कारणों से।
अच्छा, मगर सवाल में
हम्म
क्या पूछा, कई लोग बोलते हैं कि इंटरनेट इंसानियत का सबसे बड़ा
हम्म
आविष्कार है, सबसे
हम्म
महत्वपूर्ण आविष्कार है, मोस्ट
यस
इम्पोर्टेंट डिस्कवरी है। इससे
यस
आप सहमत हैं या नहीं है, और कितना दूरी तक आप सहमत करते हैं या नहीं करते, वो आना चाहिए।
यस सर।
तो आप कैसे शुरू करना चाहिए था? For example, you can begin. Certain opinion leaders hold the view that the internet is a very significant creation of the modern era. I am not
यस
in complete agreement with this because I believe there are other equally important discoveries, yeah, inventions. समझे? तो आप
ओके
जब
सर।
इंट्रोडक्शन करते हैं, सवाल के अंदर से आना चाहिए।
हम्म
कई लोग विश्वास करते हैं कि इंटरनेट इंसानियत का एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण आविष्कार है। मेरे अनुमान में
हम्म
ये पूरी तरह से मैं सहमत नहीं हूँ, क्योंकि उतना ही महत्वपूर्ण आविष्कार अभी तक आया है।
हम्म
तो ये दोनों चीज आपके इंट्रोडक्शन में आना चाहिए था,
ओके।
और फिर यहाँ से आपका व्यू उसको डिफेंड करते जाएंगे।
हम्म
ठीक है, क्यों आप कहते हैं कि सिर्फ इंटरनेट सबसे बड़ा चीज नहीं? मैं एक टिप बोलता हूँ, ऐसे चीजों को आसान करने के लिए आप क्या करो, आई कंप्लीटली एग्री या कंप्लीटली डिसएग्री करके एक लीजिए, और वहां पे इंटरनेट क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है साबित करना देखिए।
क्योंकि मैंने पांचवें डिसएग्रीमेंट इसलिए लिया है क्योंकि मेरे दिमाग में दो ही एग्री का पॉइंट आया था इसलिए।
अच्छा ठीक है, देखेंगे। So the most
हम्म
common observation is that internet provides an enormous amount of information. It is the gospel truth. Gospel truth अच्छा है। What do you mean by gospel truth? What is the meaning?
सनातन सनातन सत्य।
Okay, सनातन सत्य। मगर क्या आपको लगता है कि that everyone can find all types of information on millions of topics? Everyone, अच्छा, that every can, ये क्या है every?
मतलब सब लोग
हाँ,
ऑल टाइप की इंफॉर्मेशन फाइंड कर सकते हैं टॉपिक
तो
में।
ये every one आना चाहिए, every नहीं,
ओके ओके हाँ हाँ एवरीवन।
every one. That should come.
ओके ओके सर।
Okay, can find all types of information on millions of topics. Hmm. So instead of saying everyone, now this is a general statement. क्योंकि everyone can find all types of information on millions. It's not everyone who can find it. सभी लोग ऐसे नहीं कर पाएंगे। एक छोटा बच्चा इंटरनेट पे नहीं जाता है। कई लोग जिनके पास एक्सेस नहीं है, वो लोग
ओके
इंटरनेट पे नहीं जा सकते। तो
हाँ
आपको क्या
हाँ
करना है? When you're writing an IELTS explanation, if
यस
you cannot make it a universal truth, so you can
यस
say it is a definite truth that a lot of
यस
people can find most types of information on millions of topics at the click of a button. समझे? I know you're bringing in
यस
schematic language, so the click of a button will work well here.
यस सर।
Okay, so just note that at the click of a button.
ओके
I'm just putting it. This is how you can use relevant click of the button, of a button.
हम्म
Anyway, not bad. I'm seeing this for the first time. I have asked you to just do from whatever you have practiced so far so that I can see how we can improve, right? So this is the
यस सर।
first start and it's good. You know what is gospel truth? That is great. आपको क्या करना चाहिए आपको मालूम है। अभी मैं tools provide करूंगा which will make your essay better. As a consequence, the apparent outcome is that people are eager to use. What is missing here? What is missing here?
मतलब
Either what is missing? कुछ
use
miss हो रहा है क्या?
use the internet. You use the internet.
The internet. So what do I do?
Yes.
What do you learn? You have to proof check. Okay. Spend
Okay.
some
Okay.
time
Yes.
to proof check.
Yes. Yes. Use the internet.
Time to proof check. What is missing here? What will come?
Comma.
Very good.
Comma.
I'm proud of you, Jaydeep. You know this. I'm
Yes.
proud of you. Okay. Comma.
Yes.
Furthermore, the fact that people are using the internet for communication can also. What is missing here? Something needs to be coming here. Also के बाद there is a here's a grammar tip. Whenever you use also, you need to bring something here. Can also. Any idea?
No, sir.
Can you see my screen?
Yes. Yes, sir.
This word has to come. Okay.
Okay. B. Yes, sir.
And also be taken into account. This is a good thing. Also be taken account. That is a good phrase. And when you use phrases like that, you'll score good. To elaborate, we can
Yes.
initiate real-time communication. Very good. You use real-time communication. Who is? What should be here? Who is? What should be instead of who is?
मतलब peoples.
So you can say with
People.
people. Yeah. When you use
Yes.
who and all, you should define who that person is. With
Yes.
people, who and people is singular or plural?
Yes.
Singular or plural? People.
Plural.
So what should be here?
Okay.
What should be here? इसके बदले में क्या आना चाहिए? Plural.
R.
Very good. Very good.
Hmm.
क्यों फिर is लिखा? Who are? What should be in before another के बीच पहले क्या आना चाहिए? इधर क्या आना चाहिए?
The.
नहीं, in आएगा. Whenever you use in.
Okay.
Good work. Okay, I have showed this to you before. Something you need to work. What is the issue here?
Yes, sir.
What did I tell?
Yes. Yeah.
Tell me. What did I tell you here about this?
Yes. You.
It looks like you, right? So don't worry. This is a common error that a lot of my friends in Gujarat, a lot of teachers, a lot of students, in fact, teachers also make this mistake.
Yes.
For some
Yes, sir.
reason, they don't close the top of the U, the A, and it looks like a U, and it can be taken as an error.
Okay, sir.
Another part of the world. What is the issue here? I saw something here. What is the issue here? What is the
People.
issue? Yeah, but you need to start getting into the habit of making this capital. Okay, this P is small.
Yes, sir.
This is a,
Yes, sir.
for every full stop, you should have a capital P.
Okay. Yes. Yes, sir.
People
Yes, sir.
participate. What is missing here?
आवाज सर कम आ रही है आपकी सर.
अच्छा. People can participate.
Yes.
कहाँ पे participate कर सकते हैं?
मतलब जो सोशल नेटवर्क से हमारा व्हाट्सएप है, फेसबुक है, वीडियो कॉलिंग सर, वो सब चैटिंग.
Very good. So you need to say people can participate on आना चाहिए, preposition missing. ठीक है?
Yes.
Can participate on social networks like Facebook. Is this F capital or small?
Capital. F capital.
The capital है? Okay. If you're writing small है?
नहीं, small है.
So whenever you're using any of such tools, you need to capitalize it. WhatsApp, see, this is
Capital.
small, it should be correct. Never use etc in IELTS. Okay. Never use etc in IELTS. It's too general, and it makes the essay that You're telling that you don't know what else to put. So whenever you're using, use Facebook, WhatsApp, and you can put or even Twitter
Okay.
or even
Even
Twitter.
Twitter.
No, don't use etc. Therefore,
Okay.
what is this? What is the issue here? What is the issue here?
E. Okay. Therefore, T is T small.
Very good. You should have it small. You capitalize it. Now, these are the
Yes.
things that which will affect your bands in grammatical range and accuracy.
Okay.
IELTS will say that this candidate is not having accuracy and it can affect your score. 25% of your marks can improve, are dependent on grammatical range and accuracy. And I just got off
Okay.
a training seminar with IELTS, and they were saying that if you can proof check your writing, you can improve your
Yes, sir.
score by 1 band. अगर आप सिर्फ आपके writing लिखने के बाद proof checking करेंगे, I will give you all the tools for that. You can improve your scores by 1 band.
Yes.
Do you get it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
But don't worry, this is your first attempt after a long time with me, and I'm just looking.
Yes.
I know you've come from a different place where you've learned, but I'll do my best to bring you up to mark. Okay. Coming back to your essay,
Yes, sir.
they can. What is missing here?
They cannot touch.
They can get in touch with.
Yes.
Should be they can get in
Get.
touch with. And whenever you're saying get, it should have a get in touch
With
friends and family.
families.
Here's a grammar tip, a grammar rule to remember. Whenever you're talking about distance, you should say at distant places, not in
Okay.
distant places. It is at
At
distant
distance.
places.
Distance place.
Distance nahi hai. It should be distant. It should be
Okay. Distant. Okay.
distant
Distant.
places, not distant.
Yes.
It should
Yes.
have distant places. I hope you can see it on screen. This is a live checking that I'm doing for you so that you can know
Yes.
exactly how an IELTS trainer would be or an IELTS examiner will be checking your essays. In the exam, they won't be marking anything here. They will get to see all the errors you're making, and they will put for grammatical range and accuracy. I think you would be getting around a 5 because of all these errors.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
But I'm just showing you that this is how we can improve. We can improve definitely. What is this here? What is the spelling that is to be here? What is the spelling that should be here?
DISTANT.
Achha,
अरे
to exemplify.
हाँ.
Exemplify का spelling. What is the spelling? क्या आना चाहिए? सीख लो आप. EXEM है. PLIFY.
Exemplify. Okay.
Exemplify. Yeah. I think this is a
Okay.
common error you're making. This is one good thing about having someone.
Small m. Small m. Small m. Small m.
Yeah, you're making this common error, so we'll.
Okay.
This is also another common error. This is my suggestion that you take these errors that I'm showing. For example, this sentence you can rewrite it 3 times so that your mind can know that don't make these errors in the next. So you will rewrite this sentence just for like a practice by saying to exemplify modern research. What is the spelling of research? Hello?
RESEARCH.
No, it is RESEARCH. It's just re and search. No A here.
हाँ तो RESEARCH.
हाँ, correct. ये
हाँ
पहले
हाँ सर लिखने में थोड़ा गलती हो गई.
वो नहीं आना चाहिए. 90% people using internet to communicate आना चाहिए. अच्छा, whenever you are bringing a statistic, you have to tell from where you got this statistic from. So you can say this is
percentage.
हाँ, मगर ये 90% कहाँ से आपको कौन बोला कि 90% यूज करते हैं?
मतलब मॉडर्न रिसर्च अभी किया तो इतने
किसने
लोग
किया ये रिसर्च? किसने किया? ऐसे कर सकते हैं, रिसर्च बाय कंप्यूटर टुडे मैगजीन
ओके
in 2019, ठीक है, shows that
ओके
90% of people you primarily use, you should say primarily use the internet to communicate with. Now, friends and families would be personal or professional?
क्या सर?
Friends and families, friends and families आ रहा है ना, उससे अच्छा बड़ा वर्ड्स आप यूज कर सकते हैं. You can use for personal and professional communication.
ओके पर्सनल एंड प्रोफेशनल कम्युनिकेशन इज
ठीक है, कभी कभी फ्रेंड्स और फैमिलीज ने प्रोफेशनली भी यूज करते हैं ना,
यस
और
यस
यू कैन
हाँ
यूज दैट.
यस सर
समझे? So I'm making these
यस
marks for you so that you know where exactly the errors you made and how you can improve. Okay, now I'm showing and opening up. Are you learning something?
यस सर.
What did you understand so far? Can you just give me a brief, what did you learn so far? Can you tell me what did you learn so far? How will you improve?
स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स वो
Okay.
सब मैंने सीख लिया.
Yes, you need to focus on your spellings to improve on your spellings. Then
यस फिर कॉलम मार्क, फिर
very good.
कैपिटल लेटर स्मॉल लेटर.
Yes, you need to focus on your capitals and your small letters. Very good. Then
और इंट्रोडक्शन में पहले दो सेंटेंस मतलब सिनोनियम्स, एग्जैक्टली सिनोनियम्स.
yes, it should be introduction should be synonymical. The language should be a synonymous from the question. Question से लेके आना है आपको. Very good. Next. Next. And even your thesis statement should flow from the question. Your thesis statement should flow
यस ब्रो.
from the
क्वेश्चन.
statement. Okay, so now here we have the next page coming up. I hope you can see that. The next page coming up here.
यस सर.
So in recent times, now you're beginning a new paragraph, which is nice. So you're beginning with a
नहीं
new.
वो तो कंटिन्यू ही थी वो पिछले रिसेंट टाइम्स तक तो.
हाँ,
फिर बाद में
हाँ, यहाँ पे न्यू पैराग्राफ शुरू कर रहे हैं आप. So in recent
हाँ
times there is a widespread belief.
नहीं 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 सर, नहीं नहीं, रिसेंट टाइम्स तक तो पिछले का कंटिन्यू ही था.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, ठीक है.
इन शार्प कॉन्ट्रास्ट नहीं.
In sharp contrast, there is a widespread belief that. Okay, now the question is, the internet is the most important invention in modern history. To what extent do you believe with this statement? Now you are beginning by saying that you're in partial disagreement with it, that is partial
यस
agreement, and now you're
यस
saying in sharp contrast. Good try, but if you're giving a differing view, you can begin by saying on the other hand.
ओके ऑन द अदर हैंड.
It cannot be denied.
सर मेरे को एक क्वेश्चन है थोड़ा
हाँ.
कि पार्शियली डिसएग्रीमेंट करता हूँ
हम्म.
मैं इंट्रोडक्शन में, तो
हाँ.
मेरे को बॉडी 1 और बॉडी 2 एग्री के बारे में लिखने का है और बॉडी 3 डिसएग्री के बारे में लिखने का है ना.
मैं अगर आपके जगह में था, मेरा सजेशन क्या है, बॉडी 1 में आप क्या एग्री करते हैं लिखना चाहिए, और बॉडी 2 में
हाँ
लिखना चाहिए आप क्यों इसके साथ डिसएग्री कर रहे हैं. So body 1 introduction, body 2 will talk about why you think the internet is very important, and body 3 will
Yes.
talk about why it is not just the most important invention.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं बोला,
नहीं,
इंट्रोडक्शन लिख दिया मैंने।
हाँ, तीसरा बॉडी नहीं आना चाहिए,
इंट्रोडक्शन में ओके ओके ओके
तीसरा
ठीक
बॉडी की
है।
जरूरत
अच्छा
नहीं,
शायद कभी लिख दिया तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है ना?
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, मगर जरूरी भी नहीं है। आपका ये ऐसे में
ओके
मिसिंग क्या है मैं लास्ट में बताऊंगा, ठीक है। अभी आपका
ओके
ऐसे अगर किसी के हाथ में चला गया IELTS एग्जामिनर, वो कैसे आपका स्कोरिंग करेंगे और क्या क्या ढूंढ निकालेंगे वो बता रहा हूँ मैं, ठीक
ओके
है।
ओके सर,
4 पैरामीटर्स है,
ओके
देयर
सर।
आर 4 पैरामीटर्स वेयर योर IELTS essay is graded. One is
यस
your task response. How
यस।
do you whether you're talking about the question and addressing it well. Second is about your lexical resources. What are the
यस सर,
kinds of resources that you're using?
यस
Third,
सर,
third one is about your grammatical range and accuracy. How accurate
यस सर,
and what are the structures that you're using in your essay. And
यस सर,
then you have the fourth point, which is cohesion and comprehension. Have you
यस।
understood the essay? Are your thoughts very compact, or do you have to use a lot of words to make yourself understood?
ओके सर,
ठीक है, क्या आप कोहिजन और कोहेरेंस भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। कोहिजन का अर्थ है कि क्या आप जब लिख रहे हैं आपकी सोच धारा एक संक्षेप रूप में आ रहा है या क्या पूरा बिखरा हुआ है।
ओके सर।
जैसे वड़ा पाव जब बनाते हैं ना तो घट रहता है वड़ा अंदर, अगर पूरा ढीला ढीला निकलते जाएगा ना तो मजा नहीं आता है खाने का।
हाँ
तो कोहिजन यानी टाइट है, राइट। एंड
यस
कोहेरेंस यानी जो लिख रहा है आप किसी को समझ में आ रहा है क्या नहीं,
ओके
क्या आप खुद क्वेश्चन समझे। सवाल पूछा है
यस सर,
the internet, some people think that the internet is the most important invention in history, और
यस
आपने
सर,
शुरू किया है कि there is a origination, you brought in a debate कि कई लोग सोचते हैं कि नहीं है, कई लोग है सोचते हैं, मैं partially, they were not saying that there is a debate.
यस सर,
So there you'll lose a certain score on coherence and cohesion. Okay,
यस सर,
but coming to this essay, this is your first essay through IJ Thomas, and I'm just seeing from where you are, and I'm looking forward to take you to where you want to be.
ओके सर।
Okay, coming back here, there is a widespread belief that waste a lot. What is waste a lot of time? कौन waste करता है? Who
लोग पीपल।
people? There is now here from here you're going. Let me see. This leads to a depressing outcome, which is that children are playing online games and suffering due to internet. Children utilize internet during study times. अच्छा, सवाल क्या था जयदीप? क्या इंटरनेट सबसे महत्वपूर्ण आविष्कार है?
यस
आप बोले हैं कि नहीं, मैं नहीं मानता हूं ये सबसे महत्वपूर्ण आविष्कार है।
ओके।
तो आपका ये बॉडी पैराग्राफ 2 में क्या आना चाहिए था? What should have been there? अगर
यस सर,
इंटरनेट सबसे महत्वपूर्ण आविष्कार नहीं है तो उसका दूसरा पहलू क्या आना चाहिए?
मतलब वही ना कि वेस्टिंग टाइम वेस्टिंग होता है।
आप इंटरनेट के दुरुपयोग के बारे में बोल रहे
अच्छा हाँ 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 हाँ, डिसएडवांटेज, ठीक बराबर है।
हैं। मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ कि
हाँ
मोबाइल फोन, कई लोग कहते हैं कि मोबाइल फोन इंसानियत का सबसे बड़ा आविष्कार है। तो आप इससे सहमत हो?
हाँ
अगर मैं बोलता हूँ कि मैं सहमत नहीं हूँ, तो दूसरे आविष्कार भी है?
मेरे दिमाग में अभी तो आ नहीं रहा।
अच्छा, अब मैं बोलता हूँ इंसान का सबसे बड़ा आविष्कार है मोबाइल फोन। तो अगर मैं
यस
बोलता हूँ कि नहीं नहीं, मोबाइल फोन नहीं है सबसे बड़े आविष्कार, दूसरे भी है, तो फिर मैं बोलूंगा कि दवाई है, बहुत से दवाई है, medicine is a great invention, lot of new drugs have come in.
ओके 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 ओके,
So
यस सर,
he
इधर
cannot,
भी ऐसा ही लिखना पड़ेगा.
yes, when a person is sick and having a heart attack, he cannot go to the internet and use it. He has to go to
यस,
the,
इधर टेलीविजन रेडियो के बारे में भी लिख सकता हूँ मैं.
yes, there are other important things like television. If you want,
यस सर.
the quality of information that comes on internet is not always trustworthy. So you have to refer to books.
यस सर.
You
Yes, sir.
understand? So
Yes, yes.
this is where your task response has started to suffer.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You
समझ गया.
understand?
हाँ. Yes,
अच्छा.
yes, yes.
Then to encapsulate in the foreseeable, foreseeable का spelling?
FORCEABLE.
नहीं, double A, 4C, FOR, ये है spelling. 4 यानी पहले, FORESEEABLE है. You see the spelling?
Okay, हाँ. Yes, yes, sir.
Foreseeable. Yeah. Future, the use
Yes, sir.
of internet will increase. It would be fortunate for them. It is prudent to use internet is more and more developed. Every people is develop ka spelling. What's the spelling of develop? Hello.
DEVPL.
DEVLOP है, E नहीं है, ठीक है? Common errors, but please start fixing on these things. Okay, to encapsulate in the foreseeable future, the use of internet will increase. Question, what was the question, Jaydeep?
इंटरनेट एक महत्वपूर्ण संशोधन है.
Yes. Internet is a very important invention. और आपने क्या बोला? मैं इससे partial agree. आपका ये conclusion question से मिलता जुलता है क्या?
नहीं, मैंने ये इंटरनेट का वो क्या एडवांटेज के बारे में लिख दिया कंक्लूजन में.
This is called an off topic. Whenever you have an off topic response, IELTS would not go in great detail to check your answers. They will just put 5 bands, and that's all they will do for you. So they will only give you 5 bands.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है?
Yes, sir. और sir, to what extent do you agree or disagree में मैं completely agree या तो completely disagree करता हूँ तो चलेगा?
आपको आपके दिल से पूछना है.
Okay.
आपका
कितने तक का मैं agree हूँ?
आपका दिल कहता है कि ये पूरी तरफ से है, then you should say I completely agree. आपका दिल कहता है कि नहीं यार, it's not the most important thing, then you should bring reasons why you think it is not the most important thing.
Yes, sir.
Now there are 3 options for this. I will write this essay for you in all the 3 options, and those who are interested can access it later from me. But I will write it, I completely agree, I partially agree, and I completely disagree.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but whatever you do, the answer should proceed from the question.
Yes, sir.
You began your first 2 statements, your introduction was talking about the internet, but it was not answering the question. It was not saying that the internet is the most important invention of history and what do you believe. It was not bringing that across.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so don't worry, today is your day 1, and as you learn, as you grow, I'm sure that you can do much better. Your language is good in many ways. You have learned so many structures. Grammatical errors are not as heavy as I have seen many first-time learners commit. Things you can do to improve is, these kind of errors where that you can easily fix. Children, the first letter should be
C capital.
Yeah, and we can continue growing. Any other questions just on this essay before I take up anything else?
सर आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी?
और कोई सवाल था आपको एसेस के बारे में?
नहीं आ रही है सर.
ठीक है. So अगर कुछ
yes sir.
yeah, then I will just take up other issues which you have, and
Yes.
and we can
सर ये मैंने जो पहला बॉडी पैराग्राफ लिखा है मैंने माय व्यू से और फर्दर मोर वाला.
हाँ.
तो वो सर फॉर्मेट के हिसाब से बराबर है कि
फॉर्मेट के
नहीं है?
हिसाब से सब है आपके पास, मगर जो आप अरेंज किए हैं
आप
वो
आवाज
थोड़ा
नहीं आ रही है सर.
फॉर्मेट के हिसाब से था, मगर उसका
Yes.
अरेंजमेंट सही नहीं था. You have
Okay.
not made that. You have not proceeded from the question.
Yes sir.
क्वेश्चन के अंदर से ही सभी आंसर्स आना चाहिए.
Okay सर. क्योंकि मैं जो पहले शीतल गोइस में जाता था तो वहाँ पे एक फॉर्मेट ही ऐसे का दे दिया था, तो उसी तरफ से हमको लिखने का बोल देते.
बात सही है, मगर फ्रंट व्हील को लेके बैक व्हील में लगा देगा तो नहीं चलेगा. दोनों व्हील ही है, टायर भी अलग है फ्रंट का और बैक का. सो फॉर्मेट्स अच्छे हैं, but you need
Yes.
to understand and use them in the wiser
Yes.
way. Yeah, but don't worry, we will help.
क्योंकि वो फॉर्मेट में ऐसा ही था कि इंट्रोडक्शन है तो एग्री डिसएग्री वाला ऐसे है, तो ये इंट्रोडक्शन लिखने का और उसमें सिर्फ फोकस ही ऐड करने का. ये क्या है द आइडिया टू बाद में फोकस और बाद में वो क्या ऐसे कैसे ही लिखने का था इसमें.
ठीक है, मैं फॉर्मेट में थोड़ा इम्प्रूवमेंट्स भी लाएंगे. देयर इज थिंग्स हाउ टू ब्रिंग इन. फर्स्ट थिंग इज कैसे पॉइंट लेके आएंगे, उसके बाद उसको एक्सप्लेन करना चाहिए, उसके बाद उसको इलैबोरेट करना चाहिए. देयर इज अ टेक्निक कॉल्ड पील, and I'll teach you that in the private class. Okay?